the best way to start learning English. Starting to learn English can seem like a challenging task, but with the right approach, it can become an enjoyable and fulfilling journey. The best way to begin is by immersing yourself in the language as much as possible. Immersion is key to language acquisition because it allows you to experience English in various contexts, helping you understand how the language works naturally. One effective method is to start by watching English cartoons and movies with subtitles. Cartoons are particularly useful for beginners because they use simple language, clear pronunciation, and engaging visuals that help you understand the story even if you don't understand every word. Subtitles allow you to match spoken words with written text, reinforcing your learning and improving your reading skills simultaneously. Reading is another fundamental aspect of learning English. Start with children's books, comics, or simple articles that match your current level of understanding. Children's books are designed to be accessible, with straightforward language and lots of repetition, which helps solidify your grasp of basic vocabulary and grammar. As you become more comfortable, gradually move on to more complex texts such as newspapers, magazines, and novels. Reading a variety of materials exposes you to different writing styles and vocabulary, enhancing your comprehension and broadening your linguistic repertoire. Creating an immersive English environment in your daily life is crucial. Try to engage in conversations with friends, family, or language partners in English, even if you make mistakes. Speaking practice is vital because it helps you develop the ability to think and respond in English. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. They are a natural part of the learning process. Each mistake you make is an opportunity to learn and improve. Regular practice will boost your confidence and fluency over time. To further improve your speaking skills, consider talking to yourself in English or repeating sentences you hear in English media. This helps you get used to the sound and rhythm of the language. Keeping a diary in English where you write about your daily activities can significantly enhance your writing skills. Writing regularly helps you practice constructing sentences, using new vocabulary, and applying grammar rules in context. Listening is another essential skill to develop. Listening to English music, podcasts, or radio shows can improve your listening skills and pronunciation. Choose content that interests you to make the learning process more enjoyable. The more you listen, the better you will become at understanding different accents, intonations, and speeds of speech. Grammar is the backbone of any language, and having a solid understanding of English grammar is crucial. Focus on learning the basics, such as nouns, pronouns, verbs, adjectives, and tenses. There are many online resources and grammar books available that provide exercises and explanations to help you grasp these concepts. Practicing grammar regularly will help you form correct sentences and communicate more effectively. Consistency is key in language learning. Make a habit of practicing English every day, even if it's just for a few minutes. Learning new words daily and using them in sentences can help expand your vocabulary. Flashcards, vocabulary apps, and language games can make this process more interactive and fun. Remember, patience and persistence are essential. Learning a new language is a gradual process, and progress may seem slow at times. Stay motivated by setting small, achievable goals and celebrating your milestones. Joining language learning communities, either online or in person, can provide additional support and encouragement. In summary, the best way to start learning English is through immersion and consistent practice. Watch English media with subtitles, read a variety of materials, engage in conversations, listen to English content, practice grammar, and maintain a daily habit of using the language. Embrace mistakes as learning opportunities and stay persistent in your efforts. With dedication and the right strategies, you will gradually achieve fluency and confidence in English. Thanks for watching and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos.